Hello viewer, those are want to learn AutoCAD from beginning. After installing AutoCAD, they will run their app and like this interface will be appeared in display. After that, your drawing such as home panel, draw a line by line command. Okay, and now I want to save this file. How can I save this? We can press Ctrl plus S. Since this file already saved, so this not showing the destination path. So I want to save with destination. Click on this icon here and save or save as. Save as to select path where you want to save this. So desktop, and I want save this. They're showing AutoCAD learn in millimeter drawing already exist. Since I have already saved this drawing before, so this message is appear. Just press yes. Okay, yes. Hope this video those are learn from beginning. This will help to learn how to save the AutoCAD file. Thank you here.